Hey, what's up everybody? It's Julio Franco, and I want to welcome you to Creating Passive Income. Okay, this is part 2 of the easiest way to make money online as an affiliate. Okay, now if you haven't checked part 1, go ahead and do that before you go ahead and start watching this one, so that way you have the full knowledge, okay, on how to become an affiliate marketer as a beginner. Okay. So if you haven't checked out part 1, please go ahead and go back and check out part 1 before you start part 2, okay? Now, on my last video, I don't know if you remember, give me a second please. Now, on my last video, I showed you guys, okay? I promise you guys that if you stayed into the end, I was going to give you the 3 best eyes, okay, to become an affiliate, promote their products. I was also going to show you how to choose the right niche, how to pick the right product, and also I was going to give you my best traffic source to collect leads on autopilot, okay? Now keep in mind, this is just set it up once and forget about it, and your leads will start coming in on autopilot without you lifting a finger, okay? And I'm also gonna give you my 30-minute one-on-one coaching, okay? So let's go ahead and jump on. Give me a second. Let me see. Okay, where you at? All right, we're back. I had to pause the video so I can go ahead and try to take off my sorry guys, I was trying to take off my PowerPoint. Anyways, all right, like I said, I'm gonna teach you, or I'm gonna show you, okay? So make sure you follow every step, okay, of what I do. You want to go ahead and go to this site. Let me go ahead and go up on this real quick, if it lets me. Okay, it's not gonna let me. Go to ClickBank.com, okay, ClickBank, and it's gonna ask you let me see. It's gonna bring you to this page right here. It's pretty self-explanatory. All you have to do is just you know, fill out the details, okay? And by all means, make sure you put the right email, please. And once you've done that, let me see. Okay, once you've done that, it's gonna bring you. Go ahead and create your account and come out up here where it says Marketplace. Okay. Pay close attention. I don't know what kind of niche are you in. If you're in make money online, if you're into weight loss, if you're in meditation, you can find anything in here, okay? Me personally, I'm into make money online, affiliate marketing, so I would go up here. Now if you're into weight loss, you will find it here. Okay, there's very specific niches, even if you want to target just women and men. Let me see right here. Okay, let me see. Women's health. Where is it at? Where is it at? All right, I'm not going to spend too much time, but it's somewhere in here. Somewhere in here, you can guys kind of go ahead and look at it, okay? But anyways, like I said, I'm into affiliate marketing, making money online. So my niche will be here. Where is it at? E-business and e-marketing. And all I have to do, okay, keep in mind, there's 2 ways you can do this. You can go ahead and grab this link right here by promoting, okay, and generate a hop link, and it's gonna give you this link. You can copy it. Better way just to click right here and it says that it's copied, okay, and then just go ahead and exit out. But you gotta make sure, guys, keep close attention. You cannot just go and promote any link. You see, you have to there's factors, okay, like this one. Check out the gravity, 167. The higher the gravity, the better. You don't want to be too low or you don't want to be too high, because if it's too high, like this one right here, there's a lot of people promoting this product, and the chances of you getting in front of people is going to be hard. So you want to pick something, a good product, and something in the middle, okay? Not the gravity doesn't have to be too high or too low. I would say something in somewhere in here, gravity of 88. You know, let me see. This one. This is a good one right here. Perpetual income. I've been promoting this a lot and I've been seeing a lot of results, okay? It's like I said, you can go in here and pick any niche. You can pick any product you want, and like I said, grab that link. I will use the default link, copy it, okay? Now I can easily come up here to my Facebook and just post it, okay? Now I haven't done that in a while, okay? This is the wrong way to do it. First of all, when you post a product or a business opportunity just with the raw link like this, you're making a big mistake. Let me tell you why. Because by you sending people to this offer, you're losing money at the window, right up the front, okay? When you send this customer to this product right here, guess what? The owner of this product is going to collect their email, okay? And guess what's going to happen? He's going to send them promotions. He's going to send them deals. He's going to send them offers for that person to buy. He already bought once, so he's going to buy again. So what I recommend is for you to get in a funnel. Now you might be asking, what's a funnel? Okay, lead capture page. What's a lead capture page? Very simple. Something like this. Let me show you. Let's bring it up. Lead funnel. Okay. Images. This is a lead funnel. A lead funnel is something like this. You put people in the funnel, okay? Get their attention, interest, desire, and action. So that means you got a product you want to show them, okay? They got to go through your funnel. Why? Because that's the only way it works. Not only that, okay? The funnel will let you collect emails. Like, for example, let me see. Let me see. This is an example of a funnel. Okay, creating passive income. 3-step process that's helped thousands make their first 1,000 online. Start your own online business today. Collecting their name and their email. Okay. Once I collect their name and the email, guess what's happening? Their name and their email goes to my autoresponder. You know, it goes to my autoresponder, and then my email sequence starts. And guess what's happening behind everything? Automatically, my email sequence is going to send them offers. It's going to send them promotions. It's going to send them all kinds of stuff, you know. And that's the beauty of having a funnel. Now, this is the right way for you guys to do affiliate marketing, okay? There's a lot of people out there teaching affiliate marketing the wrong way. This is the correct way, okay? You need a funnel, okay? Once they put their name in their email, they're going to go to my Aweber subscriber account, and they're going to get subscribed, okay? Now, guys, this is, like I said, I can't stress enough, this is the right way to do affiliate marketing, okay? Don't just grab this link right here. Where was it at? Where you at? Anyways, don't grab just this link right here and promote it. That's a big no-no. Okay? What you want to do when someone asks you for information, okay, what I would do is this. I'll go to my Facebook. Where did my Facebook go? I'll go to my Facebook. Where did my Facebook go? anyways, I'll go to my Facebook and I'll make a post like this. Check this out. Okay, I've been promoting lead generation products, so like this. Listen up. New lead generation software. Okay, like this one. I just found an amazing lead generation software. This software collect leads and autopilot for me, and they get integrated into my Google Sheet, my email autoresponder, and my Facebook group. Okay, look, people are asking me questions. When people ask me questions, I don't send them the offer. I send them where is it at? Where did I have it? I send them this. I send them this right here. Why? Because I'm going to collect their email. I don't send them just that one raw link. Okay? Guys, I hope you're understanding. If you're following along, man, I'm telling you, this content, you're not going to get nobody else to show you the content the way that I'm showing you, okay? I'm trying to help a lot of people out here because not everybody is teaching the right way to do affiliate marketing. I'm not going to go ahead and make this video that long, okay? We still got a lot, okay, to cover. So this is the right way, okay? Make sure you go ahead and watch the video, and at the same time you're watching, you're actually putting it to work. So watch the video and then do as I go. Okay, so okay guys, I'm gonna leave it like this. I hope you go and implement this. Go ahead and find your offers and grab those links, and once you grab those links, okay, put them aside, put them in your notes or something, okay, because those are the products you're gonna promote. Now, once you've done that, go back to video 1 and get started with Builderall, okay? Make sure you get started with Builderall. I'm going to go ahead and leave the link to Builderall, and I'm going to teach you how to create these landing pages, okay? Just like this one. Get started for free. Once you've done that, get back to me. You can always, send me a message on Facebook. Man, there's so many different ways you can get a hold of me. Get a hold of me on my YouTube channel. That's another thing, guys. If you like the content that you're watching in this video, please, I highly recommend hit the notification bell, subscribe to my channel, give me thumbs up, so whenever I put out a new video, you'll be one of the first ones to get notified. Okay, so guys, appreciate it, and please make sure to watch video number 3. Okay, this is part 2, and we're starting part 3, so don't miss out. Watch all these videos, okay? It's like, I want to say 10 or 12 videos of so much value and content where I teach you affiliate marketing from point A to point B. I'm talking about how to create your funnels, how to do email marketing, how to do YouTube, how to collect leads on autopilot. Man, we got so much good stuff in here that I want to go ahead and teach you guys. So please, like I said, ring the bell, subscribe to my channel, give me thumbs up, and also leave me a comment below. Please interact with me, and stay tuned for part 3. Guys, God bless. Have a wonderful day.